This is going to be a drone video of just a small part of the property. That's one of the little kind of deer stands or hunting stands or whatever you want to say. That one is enclosed. That one is the one that is called the Tin Can, had a little nameplate on it. And we had heard from a couple people that they saw massive deer hunting from the tin can there. So it's set up, essentially like a hunter's dream. It's set up overlooking a valley, land slopes down and back up, and there's a natural glade on the other side. Our understanding is that the deer will come out and cross that natural glade, and then whether you're viewing them or hunting them, the deer and turkey, you've got that option right there. So as we look at this, we're looking northerly. So we're kind of toward the southwest side of the property. We're on the Douglas County side. We're not too far from that nice pond. And again, this is just a small fraction of this massive tract. But we had the video, so we thought we'd get it out there. So it slopes down. We're told there's actually some type of little creek bed in the bottom of the valley, and then it slopes back up, and you have that natural glade area. And the property goes way off to the north after this. This is a late summer video, so you can see some of the trees have changed color already. Mostly hardwood timber out here, although we did see some cedar and pine and that kind of stuff as well. Awesome property. Awesome property. So yeah, I think we might have mentioned in one of the other videos, we have found several of those little kind of elevated hunting shacks or whatnot. This is just one of them. This large tract had been used really just for hunting for many years. So it's absolutely set up for that. But I mean, for recreational, for timber, you could certainly build a cabin or a home out here, subject to any property covenants in the listing, which I'm sure are pretty minor on a property this big. In order to cut the timber, the loan to us would have to be paid in full. But we do often make written exceptions for people if they're doing improvements, which could be widening a trail, creating a building site, making or expanding a food plot. You can talk to us for specifics on that. So what we're looking at now is pretty cool, actually. It's a natural glade area. You'll find those in different locations in the Ozarks. There are a few on this property. That's the biggest one that we saw, and it's essentially an area where there's kind of limestone underneath, and so you don't have a lot of tree growth. You'll have some cedar trees, but basically just native grasses. And so that glade has probably looked about the way it looks right now. It's probably looked that way for hundreds or thousands of years. So glades are low maintenance. The area where the hunting cabin is, where the truck is parked, I don't think that's a glade. I think that's been cleared and prepped at some point to overlook the valley and the glade. And now we're looking down toward what we're told is a little gravel creek bed. We've actually never walked down to that one to see. But again, that's a small portion. We just looked at maybe 5 acres of this enormous property. But we had the video, and we just think it's a cool little location. It's a cool little hunting shack or whatever. Might be a great site to build a cabin or a home, potentially. I mean, you have a view, you'd have a lot of stuff going for you there. But anyway, video's out. So if you have any questions, let us know. We definitely would love to hear from you.